Solve the following systems of linear equations in two variables using elimination method. So dito, solve natin itong 3x plus 2 equals to 10 and x minus 2y equals to negative 2. Itong una, ito yung equation 1. Itong pangalawa, yan yung equation 2. So gagawin natin, pag-addin natin itong dalawa. So that's 3x plus x, that is 4x. Positive 2y plus negative 2y, that is 0. And that is equal to 10 plus negative 2 or 10 minus 2, that is 8. Then, kunin natin yung value ng x. So that is 4x is equal to 8. Then, divide natin both sides yung kasama ng x, which is 4. So, makakancel na yung 4. So, x is equal to 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So, nakuha natin yung value ng x. Solve natin yung value ng y gamit yung kahit anong equation dito. Either equation 1 or equation 2. So, unahin na natin yung equation 1. So, 3x plus 2y equals to 10. Substitute natin yung value ng x na nakuha natin. So, 2. So, yan, 3 times 2 plus 2y equals to 10. Okay, so 3 times 2, that is 6 plus 2y equals to 10. Then, lipat natin yung 6 sa kabila. So, yan ay 2y equals to 10. Positive 6 magiging negative 6. So, 2y is equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4. And then, may kasama pa yung y, so divide natin both sides by 2. So, y, kung na lang matitira dyan, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So, ang value ng y ay 2. Try din natin gamitin yung isa pang equation kung parehong sagot ang makukuha natin. So, x minus 2y equals to negative 2. Substitute natin yung value ng x, which is 2, minus 2y is equal to negative 2. 2y, negative 2y yan, equals to negative 2. Positive 2 magiging negative 2. Negative 2y equals to negative 2 minus 2. That is negative 4. And then, divide natin both sides by negative 2. So, y is equal to negative 4 divided by negative 2. That is positive 2. So, pareho ngayon nakuha nating value ng y. So, check natin kung tama nga ba yung nakuha nating sagot. Para i-check kung tama yung nakuha nating sagot, i-substitute natin yung value ng x sa y dito sa equation 1 at equation 2. So, 3 times x, yung x is 2, plus 2 times y, that is 2 din, equals to 10. 3 times 2, 6, plus 2 times 2, 4, equals to 10. And 6 plus 4, that's 10, and it is equal to 10. So, tama. And next, itong pangalawang equation. So, x is 2 minus 2 times y, which is 2, equals to negative 2. So, that is 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4, equals to negative 2. 2 minus 4, that is negative 2. And that is equal to negative 2. So, tama din. At ang solution ay 2 and 2. Next, x plus 2y equals to 9 and negative x plus y is equal to negative 3. So, ang equation 1 natin, syempre itong nauna. Then, equation 2 itong pangalawa. And then, solve natin. So, x minus x, that's 0. Then, 2y plus y, yan ay 3y. Equals to 9 plus negative 3 or 9 minus 3, that is 6. Okay, so may kasama pa yung y. So, divide natin both side by 3. Cancel na yan. So, y is equal to 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So, nahanap natin yung value ng y. Next naman, hanapin natin yung value ng x. So, kuha na lang tayo sa equation. Gamitin na lang natin yung equation 1. So, x plus 2y equals to 9. So, x, substitute natin yung value ng y. So, 2 times 2 equals to 9. And then x plus 2 times 2, that is 4, equals to 9. Then, lipat natin yung 4 sa transpose natin. So, x is equal to 9. Then, positive 4 magiging negative 4. X is equal to 9 minus 4, that is 5. So, ang x natin ay 5 and then y is 2. So, let's check. Unahin natin yung equation 1. Substitute natin yung value ng x. So, x is 5 plus 2 times y is 2 equals to 9. 5 plus 2 times 2, that is 4, equals to 9. 5 plus 4, that is 9. And 9 is equal to 9. So, tama. Next, equation 2. The negative x or negative 5 plus y, which is 2, is equal to 3. The negative 5 plus 2, negative 3 to. Negative 5 plus 2, that is negative 3. And it's equal to negative 3. So, tama yung nakuha nating value ng x and y. So, ang solution dito? The solution is 5, 2. Next, equation 1 is 2x plus 2y equals to 6. And then, equation 2 is x minus 4y is equal to 3. Kung napapansin nyo, pag pinag-add natin itong dalawa, walang makakancel kasi walang parehong coefficient. So, paano gagawin natin dyan? Kapag ganyan, dapat magkapera yung coefficient ng x or yung y. So, dahil wala, ang gawin natin, yung isang equation, i-multiply natin. Multiply natin sa 2 para maging pareho. O kahit anong number para magkaroon na magkaparehong coefficient. So, itong 2y, multiply natin sa 2 para maging 4. That is, okay, so multiply natin sa 2. 2 times 2x, that is 4x. Then 2 times 2y, that is 4y. Then 2 times 6, that is 12. Then itong equation 2, ganyan na lang yan. Retain natin. So, x minus 4y equals to 3. Then, so, pwede nating pag-addin kasi may pareho na yung coefficient. So, 4x plus x, that is 5x. Then, 4y plus negative 4y is 0 na yun. 12 plus 3, that is 15. And then, solve for the value of x. So, may kasama pa yung x na 5. So, divide natin both side by 5. So, makakancel na yan. So, x, 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So, x is equal to 3. Hanapin naman natin yung value ng y. So, kahit anong equation, pwede natin gamitin. So, gamitin na lang natin yung equation 2 para may iba naman. So, that is x minus 4y equals to 3. Substitute natin yung value ng x. So, x is 3. So, 3 minus 4y equals to 3. Yan. And then 3, lipat natin sa kabila, transpose natin. So, that is negative 4y equals to 3. Positive 3 magiging negative 3. And then, negative 4y equals to 3 minus 3, that is 0. So, dahil 0 na yan, so ibig sabihin, y is equal to 0. Check natin kung tama. Substitute natin yung mga values ng x at y. First equation, so 2x plus 2y equals to 6. Substitute natin yung values ng x at y. So, 2 times x is 3 plus 2, y is 0. And it's equal to 6. So, 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 0 yan. So, 0 na lang. So, 6 is equal to 6. So, tama. Next, yung second equation, that is x minus 4y equals to 3. So, x is 3 minus 4 times 0 equals to 3. 4 times 0 is 0, so 3 is equal to 3. So, that is correct. So, ano yung solution? That is 3, 0. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayong natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.